Good morning to all of you. Today in this video we will discuss about the second case of calculation of sag, that is supports at unequal level. Supports at unequal level. In previous video we discussed about the first case, that is support at equal level. If you have not seen it, then the link is in description, you can go and see it. Now such type of case, that is support at unequal level, is generally seen in hilly areas where the grounds are at unequal level. Now as you can see in the figure or diagram, that A and B are two supports at unequal level. AB is conductor and P is the lowest point on the conductor. As you can see here in the diagram, that there are two supports at unequal level. The first one is A and the second one is B, due to which there will be two sags. The first one will be S1 and the second one will be S2. Now in the first video we discussed that sag, that is S, is equal to W x square by 2t. Now from here we can calculate S1 will be equal to W x1 square by 2t, and S2 will be equal to W x2 square by 2t. Also from the diagram we can see that x1 plus x2 is equal to L. So x1 plus x2 will be equal to L. Let us assume this as equation 1. Now from this equation, from this diagram, we can see that S2 minus S1 will be equal. So here S2 minus S1 is equal to H. Now from here S2 is equal to W x2 square by 2t, and S1 is equal to W x1 square by 2t is equal to H. Now from here we can calculate 2t W x2 square minus W x square is equal to H. Now x2 square minus x1 square will be equal to H 2t by W. Here we can break it as x2 plus x1 into x2 minus x1 will be equal to H2t by W. Now we can write x2 plus x1 is equal to L from equation 1. So from here we can write x2 minus x1 will be equal to H2t by WL. That is x2 minus x1 will be equal to H2t by WL. Let us suppose this as equation 2. Now after calculating equation 1 and this equation 2, we will get x1 equal to L by 2 minus ht by wl and x2 equals to L by 2 plus ht by wl. Now here we have calculated the value of x1 and x2. Now after putting the value of x1 and x2 in these two equation, we can get the value of s1 and s2, that is the value of sag. I hope you understand everything in this video. Still, if you have any query regarding this, then please write out it in the comment box. I will be very happy to answer them. That's all. Thank you.